Hello my wonderful students, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see class 4 max chapter number 6 measuring length part 2 video. So part 1 video is already uploaded in the channel and this is part 2 video. So those who missed to watch these pages, first watch part 1 video, understand the concept and then watch part 2 video. Okay, and I have also started taking tuition daily. So this is the information. So timing is 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. for class 3 to class 5. If you want to get additional information, WhatsApp to 74186 19174. Okay, so the monthly fees is rupees 600. Alright, or else if you need only worksheet for your exam payment, then what you can do is you can go to channel description, click more option, select join the channel to get question papers. There you can select worksheets, option number 3. So you can select option number 3, class 1 to 8 worksheets. So monthly 119 you can get worksheets for your exam practice. Each and every month you have to pay this amount. Okay, now we will go to measuring small length. So far what we did, we measured the length about in meters, the long length. So what now we are going to do is we are going to measure small things. So long things, what we did, we measured the length of the bus, length of the whale and few animals and bats even. But now we are going to measure tiny things. So can you think how to measure a small things like eraser or a rice gram? So look at this picture. We have a rice gram. It is like 1 centimeter. So we need a smaller unit to measure such small items. So we have many units to measure, right? So meter, centimeter, millimeter. So we use millimeter and centimeter to measure the object which is very small and tiny. Okay, observe a standard meter scale. You can see the scale is divided into 100 equal parts. Okay, the length of each one of these part a special name called centimeter, that is cm. Okay, so I have mentioned here, right, centimeter. So we can use centimeter to measure smaller objects. So Chutki want to keep track of increasing in height of her plant. So she is Chutki. What she is doing? She is measuring the height of the plant day by day. Compare the meter rope with measuring tape used by tailor. It is the length of both or same or different. So what we have to do, you can use the tape of measuring. The tailor will be having a long measuring tape, right? If you see the tape, it is like 1 meter long, which is divided into 100 small centimeters. So this is 0, 1, okay, 2, 3. So it is divided, it is up to 100 units. So 100 centimeter, which is equal to 1 meter. Okay, 100 centimeter is 1 meter. So in tailor shop, they will be having 1 meter tailoring tape, which is also equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, so now we will see that in detail. So look at this picture. Observe the measuring tape carefully. What do you notice? So this is one portion of the measuring tape which is having up to 10 centimeter. Okay, so 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. Again 1 to 2 is 1 centimeter. 2 to 3 1 centimeter. 3 to 4 1 centimeter. So the centimeters are keep on increasing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 centimeter. If you want to measure a measure of a pencil, for example, I am placing a pencil here. So this is the pencil. So the pencil is now how many centimeter? So the pencil is 5 centimeter. Okay, like this we can able to measure the smaller object. So discuss how these mark help us to measure clearly. So how these mark help us to measure clearly, we have to place the object, or we have to take the tape and measure the object uniquely. Okay, the length of each red bar is 1 centimeter. I told you, right, this place is 1 centimeter. So each bar is 1 centimeter here. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. And there is one line in the middle, if you notice. So this is like half centimeter. Okay, this is half centimeter. Students, you have to understand 1 centimeter, which is equal to half plus half centimeter. Okay, and also 1 centimeter is equal to 4 quarter centimeter. 4 quarter centimeter. 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Okay, the red bar is repeated 10 times to make 10 centimeter. So the red bar is repeated 10 times to make 10 centimeter. For example, if you need 50 centimeter, then 50 times red bars will be there, and 100 centimeters, 100 times red bars will be there. Same thing they have mentioned. When we repeat the length of the red bar 100 times, we will get 1 meter scale, which is 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. This is very, very important, your exam question also. Okay, so 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. I am going to highlight this, students. Very, very important for your exam. Okay, next. Half meter equal to dash centimeter. So half meter equal to dash centimeter. So 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So half meter is 50 centimeter. And 1 by 4 meter is 25 centimeter. I told you, right, we have 4 1 by 4 meter in 25. So if you add 25 times 4 times, you will get 100 centimeter, which is also 1 meter. If you add 2 times 50, you will get 100 centimeter, which is also 1 meter. Okay, I'll show you a line and example. Okay, imagine that this is 1 meter scale. 1 meter scale, which is also 100 centimeter. Okay, if I divide this into 2 equal, so what will be there? Here we have 50 centimeter half, and here we have 50 centimeter half. So half is 50 centimeter. So 1 by 4, if I divide this into 4, so 1, 2, so this is the first part, second part, third part, fourth part. So this is each is 25 centimeter. So 25 centimeter, 25 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 25 centimeter. So how many 25 centimeter? 4 times 25, 2 times 50, 1 time 100 makes a meter. Okay, very easy, don't get confused. Next, measure each object using a scale. So this one you have to do it by yourself. So we have to measure the each object using a scale. I tried to draw a scale and see if I can able to measure this over. Let's see. Okay, let it be the measuring scale. Starts with 0 and 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is 1 centimeter, and 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 centimeter, 1 2 3 4 5, and 1 2 3 4 5. So this is 3 centimeter. So the rubber, if you see, it is approximately 2.5 centimeter. So 2.5 centimeter. So 2.5 centimeter. Okay, but use your own scale, students. This is like not an exact, approximate value. Okay. So next we have pencil. I'm going to measure the pencil. Again, this is not the exact value, approximate value. Okay. Starts with 0, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 centimeter. Next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter. So the scale is 6, sorry, the pencil is 6 centimeter long. Okay, centimeter is already there. So I just write 6. Okay, so next we have a comb. If you see, the comb and the pencil is almost same centimeter. Okay, I'm not going to measure it again, so I'm directly writing 6 centimeter. If you see, the length is equal. Okay, next, but you have to try using your own scale. The centimeter can vary, you will not get the exact number. Okay, this is an approximate number. Use your own scale to measure it over. Okay, next we have a block here, so I'm going to draw a line. One minute. Okay, I can draw a line here itself, no need to draw a line, so I can measure from here. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 centimeter, 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 4 centimeter, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 5 centimeter, 4, 5, 2, 3, 5, 6 centimeter. So use 12 centimeter scale, students, so it will be easy for you. 3, 4, 5, 8 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is almost 9 centimeter. So I am writing 9 centimeter here. Okay, write the name of the object in increasing order of the length. So now we need to write increasing order of the length. So we have first the rubber. I am going to write the order one by one. First, eraser. Next is both comb and pencil. So pencil, comb, and the last one is a block, or you can write a cuboid or block, anything. Okay, But when you measure, this measurement may vary. You cannot use what we have to do. Estimate the length of the following and compare your response with your friends in the grade. Write some example of things that can be lesser than or equal to 1 centimeter in length, verifying by measuring. Okay, we have length of few items: a fingernail, an eraser, an ant, a grain of wheat, a rajma. So we need to find out whether it is equal to 1 centimeter, more than 1 centimeter, less than 1 centimeter, an actual centimeter. Okay, a fingernail. It depends upon the nail size. You are in class 4. So obviously the fingernail will be less than 1 centimeter. And if you want to measure the actual centimeter, you can measure it here and write the answer. And an eraser, we already saw an eraser here. It is more than 1 centimeter. So it is more than 1 centimeter. You can write 2.5, but use your own eraser and measure it and write the answer. An ant is a very tiny one, so obviously less than 1 centimeter. It will be like 0.2 centimeter. It will not be more than 0.2 centimeters. It will be like in millimeter too. Okay, 0.2 centimeter is millimeter. A grain of a wheat. So we already saw a grain of a rice here, 1 centimeter. So it will be like exactly equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter. Next, a rajma seeds. A rajma seed, it is also, let's see a picture of rajma seed. Okay, so I have a rajma seed here. So look at the picture. It is starting from 1.5 centimeter to it is ending up to 3.5 centimeter. So it is more than 1 centimeter. So I'm marking it as more than 1 centimeter. It will be around 2.5 or 1.5 centimeter depending upon the size of the seed. So actual measurement means you have to take the original object and measure using a tape, measuring tape or your scale, and then write the answer here. The answer which I have written, it is an approximate one, not the actual measurement. So next one, take 3 toy cars and find out how far each one can go. You can use small wooden ramp, or you might or you might like to make a ramp using any material you have. Measure the distance of your car travels using a measuring tape and write the answer in centimeter. So this is going to be very interesting, students. So what you have to do, you have to take 3 different cars from your home. What you have to do, you have to make a wooden ramp like this, and you have to leave the car from here, and then you have to measure the end point where the car is stopping. For example, the car is stopping here. You have to take a rope and measure where the car is stopping. So this is a measuring tape or a rope. And you have to measure where the car is stopping. Car 1, distance from the ramp in centimeter, and which rank it is. Okay, I'm going to try and see if I can able to create an image. A minute, please. Okay, I will draw and show you, students. I need a space. Okay, I'm going to take this space. First, I will draw a wooden block. Okay, I'm going to draw a wooden block here. Okay, so first car 1. So I'm just making only the wheels, not the entire car, only the wheels I'm drawing. Okay, and I'm going to mark the centimeters here, starting from here. So 0, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So obviously it will be more than 10 to 20 centimeter if we leave a car, but now I'm just doing it for example. Okay, 4, 5. Okay, or else I'll change the intervals. I'll use in meters. They are asking meter or centimeter. Okay, they are asking only centimeters. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this as 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 60 centimeter. Okay, so this is the first red car. I'm leaving this car now, and the car is like coming very fast and it is stopping here. So the red car is 30 centimeter. Okay, next I'm going to leave same a blue car from the same place. Just imagine this is a blue car from the same place. It is coming very fast and it is ending here at 25 centimeter. Okay, now I have a green car again starting from the same place. It is going again very fast and ending in 50 kilometers. Sorry, 50 centimeters. Okay, so we have red, blue and green car. So first car 1 is red car. It is 30 centimeters. So red car is 30 centimeter. Second car is blue, 25 centimeter. Third car is green, 50 centimeter. So who won the game now? Gar green was first place. First rank, I'll do it in red. Second rank is car 2 and car 3 is third rank. Okay. Next. So find the longest and shortest route in the treasure hunt. You can go around the obstacles and but cannot jump over them. You can walk on the yellow tiles, not on the green grass. Not on the grass. Okay. You can find the length of the route in centimeter. Look at 1 centimeter clue is in the map. So this is 1 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find the treasure here. Who's going to find the treasure? Find the longest route in the treasure. You can go the obstacles. Okay, let's see from the start point. Okay, first I'm going to start from here because when we go here, it is like this and we will reach here. This is the shortest route. Okay, I'm going to mark an arrow mark going like this and take a right, and now we can able to measure. So this is the shortest route, but we have to measure in centimeter. So I'm going to count each box as 1 centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the shortest is 16 centimeter. Now we will find the longest one. So we have one way here, but it is not reaching the treasure point. So we'll go like this here, and no, this one is also not reaching. So we will go here, here, here. No, this is also not reaching. So how we can reach here? This way. So here, yes, this is the longest route. So I'm going to map from here. So starting point from here and go like this and legs this again down and go straight here like this. You can reach. This is the longest route. Okay, now we will count in centimeter. I'll use the black one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 and 46. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 48. The longest route. Okay. So next, trace your hand on a paper. So these part we will do in part 3 video. Okay. Alright students, take care and be safe. Bye bye.